Okay, the third video. So here mainly I am going to guide you how to instruct this sprite. Now the cat has to move within this path. How we can move this one? Now we are going to talk to this cat with the help of our hardware device. Now when I press from the keyboard the right arrow, it has to move forward. You all know I have explained about this, about the x and y axis, right? So here you have the x and y. Okay, so you are having here y, here you are having x. Now you want to move this object here, right? When you are moving the object to right, okay, when you are moving the object to right, what will happen? What will happen? When you move the object to right, what will happen? So this x has to increase. Okay, x has to increase. So it will be plus, right? If something happen, if the object has to move to this side, okay, if the object has to move to this side, that means opposite the x, right? So that what will happen? Minus x, minus x. So the same thing happened to y. If it is going up, that will be plus. If it is going to the opposite side, it will be negative, minus. Think about that. With the help of this, you all know you can use the right arrow. Then you can use left arrow to go this side. So then the x will be minus. Then you can use up arrow, that will be plus. Then y, this will be down arrow, that will be negative. Okay, with the help of these hardware instructions, with the help of the keyboard, we are pressing these 4 buttons. With the help of these buttons, you are going to talk with the object. You are going to talk with the object. So that thing you all have to know. Okay, right. So when you consider about this diagram, here mainly we are focusing on the x-axis and the y-axis. With the help of x and y, what you are doing, we are going to give the instructions to our object. Sprite, the cat, has to move within this path. When it's moving around the path, we'll see what will happen. Okay, with the help of right arrow, when you press the right arrow, it will move right hand side. When you press left arrow, it will move left side. When you press up, it will go up. When you press down, it will go down. But there are some barriers. So this has to move within the path. Remember that, huh? Okay, remember about this. Right x is plus, left x is minus, up x plus, down x minus. Remember about that. Right, now here you have the object. So what I am doing, when I click on this one, go and stop. So you are having the starting position. This is starting position, minus x 162 and the y will be 86. So what I am doing, I am taking events. When I click on this object, this is the sprite. I have select sprite 1. So here I am giving the code to this sprite 1. I am giving the code to this sprite 1. So I have select this. Then what I am doing, I am asking, okay, motion. With the motion you are giving the guides. Okay, move. To which direction you have to move. So I am taking from here, go to x, this one I am giving, go to x minus 160. So that is this position. Now if I have keep the cat here, when I have click on the flag, what will happen? I am giving the instruction with the help of the mouse pointer. When I click on this, I am giving the instruction to this sprite. Okay, you have to move to this location. Go to minus 162, y 86. That is a point. This point. So we'll see. When I click on, the cat will come to the position. Okay, so this is a point. On this output, this is a point. So we have mentioned, when I have clicked with the mouse to this flag, it has to move to this location. Okay, now that instruction is okay. Now what we have to do, when you press the right arrow, it has to move on the right axis to this side, right hand side. So I have mentioned here, if you are using right hand side, this one, it will be x has to increase, that will be plus ne, x එක plus. So we will see now. Now what I am doing, I am taking a condition control, right? If then, I am putting that block, if then. So I am using sensing, okay. If press, key is pressed. You can see here white background will come to this hexagon. Okay, I am just putting it inside. Okay, you can see if key press. So here they have given space. No, I want here many keys are there. For each and every key we can program. So I am going to use here the right arrow. If I press the right arrow, then what has to happen? It has to move to the right hand side, right? So I am giving motion. I am going to change x by 10. Now x is minus 162. If I press right arrow, it has to increase by 10. So 10 by 10, this will be increase. Okay, now we'll check that. I'll start this one. Try to move. It's still not moving. So I am using here a control and forever. So I have, no, it's wrong. So the forever, this one, you have to use here, right, in between this one. Okay, now you have used the forever control. Now when I click on this, you can see the whole block has selected. I am stopping this one. Now I am asking cat to come here. So when I click on this flag, what will happen? The cat will come to the position. Right, now with the help of the arrow, now it will move. Now it's moving. You can see I have given, when the right arrow pressed, change x by 10 forever. Mona velawe mama right arrow එක press කරුවත් change x by 10. Now moving. Now it has went outside the path. But when I press the left button, it's not moving. Left button එකට අපි දීලා නැහැ. So I am pressing the keyboard left, but it's still it's not moving. So what I have to do now, again I am stopping this one. I am asking to come to this location. Okay, now when I touch this black color, I want to stop him. I want to stop this cat. So what I am doing, I am using another if command. If change x by 10, මෙතනට තමයි දාන්නේ. Change x by 10. I have connected to this one. Sensing, touching color, here hexagon, I am clicking, touching color here, it's green. Now I want to change this one. Click on the green color and take the pick. Here you can see the pick color. Click on this and you are moving to this location. Here, from here, you are selecting black. You are selecting black. When you select black, you can see here it has apply. Okay, so whatever things that you have clicked, it's there. Now when it's reached this location, it's moving 10, right? When it reach, if it touches this black color, it has to move to the other side, opposite. So what I am doing, from here I am using motion and I am using exchange x by 10, but this has to be what? The opposite, no? So that will be minus 10. Minus 10. So we'll see. I'll stop. Okay. Now I want to run. The cat I am moving here. Click on this one. And here it's moving. Now from this point onwards, still I am pressing the right arrow key, but it's not giving the permission to go beyond that. But still the left one is not working. Okay, I'll stop from here. Right. So that instruction